Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will do the review of the G-Shock Mudman G9300 Mudman series, one of the master of G edition watches. So let's get started. So this is the Mudman G9300. It's one of the series from Master of G. It's been quite long since this watch has been released in the market, but it's still one of the best digital watches available here. What's the specialty of this watch is that we have got twin sensors in this watch. Twin in the sense that it has compass as well as temperature reading sensor. It's also tough solar, which means that it charges using solar power. So let me demonstrate that. So there is mode, adjust, light and search. So this is the COM button, which means that it will enable your compass as well as the temperature sensor. When I press this, you can see it enables the compass. This is the direction so which we can face, and we will know the correct orientation of the sensor. So when I turn this side, you can see it is pointing northeast. North. So this is the north. The temperature is 28, so it will go to power saving mode after some minutes. Press again to enable the compass. So it shows you the direction on which you are pointing. So this is one of the main highlighted features of this watch, pace mode. And also we have this small window. You can see it's actually the moon phase graph, where you can know whether it is full moon or half moon or dark. So you can change using search the today's to show you different moon phases on different dates. So this is, I think, one of the most, and it's also got wall time, stopwatch, all other basic features that a digital watch contain, at 4 alarm and timekeeping. This is the timekeeping mode of this watch. I think this is one of the best digital watches that is currently available on the market right now. So this is the Mudman series. So here is the logo containing of a mole. You can see that mole. So this is the full review, one of the short reviews of this Casio G3900 Mudman series. Thank you guys.